Hello class, in this video I will be showing you how to find the domain of a composite function. Let's begin. Okay, so in this example we have two functions. F of x is equal to 3 divided by x plus 1 and h of x is equal to the square root of 1 minus x. We would like to find the domain of f composed of h of x. Alright, to do this I'm going to start by creating the composite function. So f composed of h of x is equal to f evaluated at h of x, which is equal to 3 divided by the square root of 1 minus x plus 1. Okay, now that we have the composite function, we're going to find the domain. And to do that, I'm going to start by finding the domain of h. I'm going to label that a. And since h is a square root function, 1 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. So this implies that 1 is greater than or equal to x, so that x is less than or equal to 1. Next, I'm going to find the domain of 3 divided by the square root of 1 minus x plus 1. I'm going to label this b. Okay, since this rational expression has the square root of 1 minus x in it, we know that x must be less than or equal to 1, but we need to be careful because the square root of 1 minus x plus 1 cannot equal 0. So we want to exclude all x such that the square root of 1 minus x plus 1 equals 0. And to solve this equation, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So that implies that the square root of 1 minus x is equal to negative 1. And this has no real solution. And so what that means is that there are no values of x that will make the denominator equal to 0. So the domain of the rational expression is identical to the domain of h. And since the domain of h and the domain of the rational expression are identical, that implies that a intersect b is going to be x is less than or equal to 1. So the domain of f composed of h of x is negative infinity to 1 with a bracket. And we are done.